Good morning, students. Now, today we will start lesson 1, changing traits and career in physical education. So, first we will go through meaning and definition of physical education. Listen carefully now. The term physical education is made up of two words, that is physical, which means movement of body, and education, which means knowledge. Thus, physical education includes those activities which support in the development of body and mind. Physical education has its roots in Archaic period, although it was used in various forms in the past. Its meaning was different to different people. The philosophers like Socrates, Aristotle, and Plato were of the opinion that physical training is a must for youth. Even in India, physical activities were the essential part of life in ancient times. Now we'll come to definition of physical education. According to J.B. Ness, physical education is that field of education which deals with big muscles activities and their related responses. And our other definition is the sum of those experiences which come to the individual through the physical activity. And now we will come to aims and objective of physical education. Here is a lot of objective of physical education. First, physical development. The most important objective of physical education is physical development. It is the development of our organ system such as circulatory system, respiratory system, digestive system and nervous system. Physical exercises improve our neuromuscular responses and leads to maximum physical development. Physically fit and fine person can perform his activities efficiently. Our organ system develops in size, shape and efficiency, etc. And now we'll come to second one, mental development. The objective of mental development is related to thoughts, ideas, behavior, conduct, attitude and responses. Many physical activities need alertness of mind, deep concentration and calculated movements. In fact, it is a two-way process. In one hand, physical activities sharpen the mind, and on the other hand, to perform various physical activities, concentration of mind is necessary. So, for physical activities, concentration of mind is necessary. So, physical education is an important subject like the other educational subject, because this subject involves rules and regulation, techniques of games, anatomically and physiologically studies, balanced diet, sanitation, personal hygiene, health and diseases. An individual learns to draw certain conclusions by taking part in various activities. He is able to face the new situations which come in the games. He can take important decisions independently. So, mental development helps an individual to perform his activities in better way. And now we will come to third one, social development. The objective of social development is related to social traits which are essential for better adjustment in life. In order to adjust in the society, an individual needs to develop several qualities like cooperation, tolerance, sympathy, courtesy, sportsmanship, fair play. The physical education programs provide a platform to develop these qualities. The player who belongs to different places and culture come closer to each other through these physical activities. They learn to adjust themselves according to situation. In society, he learned the socialization process which improve the status. These traits are developed in various programs of physical education. A society can prosper in a healthy social environment which is possible only through the programs of physical education. Thus, physical education provides good opportunity for social development. Now we will come to fourth one, emotional development. The emotional development is a major objective of physical education. Every person has many types of emotion like love, anger, hate, jealousy, fear, hope, pleasure, lust, wonder, loneliness, etc. These emotions help to achieve optimum progress. The emotions are vital for every individual, but excess of these is always bad. The physical education programs develop these emotions. These programs teach us to have control over our emotions. An individual can control over his emotion by taking part in these programs of physical education.